How to easily cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Duolingo application. And then in here, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this profile icon. After that, here on our profile, you will now see this settings icon. What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then under settings, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this manage subscription. In here, it will now show us our current plan. What we need to do is to tap on this cancel subscription option. After that, you will be asked why you are canceling. So as an example, I'm just gonna select on this I subscribe by accident. After that, tap on continue. In here, tap on this proceed to cancel. After that, tap again on this cancel super. And then in here, it will show us the details of our subscription. At the bottom, you will see this cancel subscription option. What we need to do is to tap on this again. And then after that, you will be asked again why you are canceling. You can simply select any of this one. And then after that, tap on continue. And then in here, we'll have to tap again on this cancel subscription option. And as you can see here, my subscription is now canceled. So that's how easy you can cancel Super Duolingo subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!